Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to create a series object using a dictionary in Panda. So we are going to have our dictionary first. With key and values. And now we can create a series by importing a dictionary. So this will be, and we get the series object. We call it series. Pass in our dictionary. Print some message. Import the whole dictionary. We can also explicitly mention which keys to import instead of importing the whole dictionary. So this would be S2. You can do with the same dictionary. So this would be dot series. We're going to pause in the dictionary, but now we are going to set the index also. So this will be index set to, and here we can specify the keys that we want to add to our series. So I'll use the key A and C, and we're just going to print this new series. This will be now we can run our code, and here is the output, our whole dictionary with key and values, and just the specified index A and C as a key and their values. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.